being a smaller shop, we can make decisions, we can make changes on the fly, and we can get things implemented faster than a larger company. We've got a lot of experience with complicated tooling, high tolerance machines, and just the experience of our team. We have good workers that have done stuff with poor equipment, and now that we've got better equipment, we can do an even better job. We're looking at wire machines. We chose Mitsubishi because of the history we had of good solid service, help when you needed it. They were reliable, very helpful, and they would get us through at the toughest times. You know, even late at night, we had some great service techs on the phone. So Mitsubishi's service is like top-notch in my book, and we chose them for that reason. That made a big difference in our decision making. I had service both on the wire and the sinker service, where someone's helped me make a very complicated program, see it through. We had some hiccups in it, and they would actually get online with me, share files, and get me something right remotely to the machine. It goes into Industry 4.0 where he could see my screen, we made a correction, and we made the burns work, and it was like night and day. It was great. But when we added the Eagle 800 gantry EDM sinker, it was a game changer for us. We were able to cut a lot less electrodes, do a lot more throughput through the EDM machine, and it freed up our electrode cutting or CNC machine as well. Utilizing the Aroa and the sunspot holders, we were able to make that streamline a lot better. Service is always a good thing to have when I need something on the machine side. And then we've had applications where we're trying to do something that's really not obvious on either the directions or the control, and they've been able to dive right into that and make that happen for us, and then teach us along the way. So we've been very grateful for the help on the application side, and then the service team is just amazing as well. Their availability really surprised me. When I said I needed help, there was a guy gave me his number. He said, "Call me anytime," and I was like, "Anytime?" And I thought that was odd. So I ended up having to use his phone number a couple times in the middle of the night, and he texted me back and responded to me, and I thought that was all the difference in the world.